Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our little short wide 72 orange, factory short wide, not a cut down. Nice running little 350 crate motor. It's got rally wheels, brand new Hugger orange paint, tonneau bed cover. It's got black bed liner inside the bed. It's got the nice chrome bumpers, front and rear. Cobra Radial GT's brand new. Nice new orange paint. Nice black and orange interior. She runs and drives good. It's got the factory tilt wheel and factory tach. Gas gauge and all the gauges work. Was a factory air truck. Someone's removed it, was going to put in the vintage AC and didn't get through it. So it's been blanked off and it's ready for you to install your vintage AC. Great running motor. It's got double hump heads. Awesome little 350. Runs really good. The paint is beautiful. Nice looking driver. So you can come to Wilson, Oklahoma and check us out and all of our inventory. Visit us online at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Awesome little truck. I've been driving it around this week. It runs and drives great. Starts easy, runs down the road smooth. Y'all check us out. Thanks for calling and checking in on us.